I'm so excited to share with y'all my most favorite simple salad recipe of all time, Mediterranean salad. You deserve to be happy and healthy. Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health and nutrition coach. This channel is for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits. So if you're interested in doing just that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and watch all the way to the end for bonus tips. So this Mediterranean salad was inspired by airplane food, if you can believe it, and I enjoyed it so much I recreated it and added a little bit more flavor using more Mediterranean ingredients. So let's get into it. What you'll need is a large bowl with a lid, a large cutting board, there's going to be lots of cutting, a 1 cup dry measuring cup, a 2 cup wet measuring cup, a sharp knife, a whisk, and a juicer. First thing we'll do is make our dressing. So we're making some lemon vinaigrette here. So we're going to juice as much lemons as we need to get half a cup of fresh lemon juice. Okay, that was about 2 lemons. Now we can add half a cup of olive oil, extra virgin, and we'll just whisk that up. Typically a half of an English cucumber is a cup, so let's go ahead and do that. Cut it in half, trim the end off. If you guys are curious about the technique of dicing it, please watch the video on how to prep cucumbers. There you go, a heaping cup is fine. Let's put it in our bowl. Next up is our red pepper. We're going to dice these about the same size as the cucumbers. Okay, a heaping cup is fine of red peppers, about a cup of grape tomatoes that we're going to have. It will be about 16 grape tomatoes, and that is about a cup of half grape tomatoes. Red onions, so if you have any questions about the best way to cut this without crying, please check out my video. I put the link above and in the description below. The tip I have for y'all for taking away the bite from these onions is go ahead to pour it into that dressing and let it marinate there. I've added the minced garlic into the dressing with the red onions. I have some washed and dried parsley here. I'm not going to remove the leaves from the stem. It's totally fine, so this is very rustic, but we are going to chop it as fine as we can. Okay, this is about a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley going into that bowl. Add the chickpeas strained. That's 1 whole can. Add that there. And now we can add our dressing. We can mix it all up like so. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. As a bonus, we are going to measure cheese. Okay, let's take a look. So this is about 3.5, and we're just crumbling the cheese. It's nice and soft. So this is not the pre-crumbled, as you can tell, for the feta cheese, and it has a creamier consistency. And I'm just gonna stir that up and see how that all looks. Oh, yummy. Let this sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to allow all the flavors to melt together. Last tip for y'all is to store this cheese with extra care. So I have here a 1 gallon Ziploc bag that I'm going to insert this package of feta cheese and try to squeeze out as much of air as possible to store it carefully and mindfully. This is about half a cup, which is great if you are going to pair with some rice or some pita bread. I'm diving in. It's so good. Taking me back to the skies. I hope you guys try this. Let me know what you think of this recipe in the comments below. I'm going to be sharing the nutritional value in the next slide, so stick around for that. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you all so much. See y'all next week, where we'll be continuing on some more plant-forward recipes.